Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we will be taking a look at a modded MIUI version ROM which is based on MIUI 11 which is MIUI 11 NSA 9.10.31 beta. It is based upon a Chinese beta ROM for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. I will show you. As you can see, Snapdragon 636, 4000 mAh battery. All specs, it's Redmi Note 5. Actually it's Note 5 Pro, but it's showing Note 5. MIUI 11 NSA 9.10.31 beta update. It's based on Chinese beta ROM. So, and its kernel version is 4.4135 POF plus, which is normal kernel we get on the MIUI phone. And currently I am using the inbuilt screen recorder to test how it works. I am using it using sound source I am giving is mic. There's another sound source called system sounds and a mute. Currently I can't change because I'm using the screen recorder. So here we go. This is the home screen that I have set up now, and swiping up on the left we get the regular app vault, but it's regular in MIUI 11. In the global stable version of Wired in India or anywhere else globally, it's not this new app vault, it's the old MIUI 10 upload. This one looks more compact, I would say, and clean compared to the other ones. This is a home screen, and as you can see there's the app drawer. I have currently set it up in using the app drawer. Let me show you. If we go to settings, more, we get these much options. First option we get is default launcher, home screen. Here we get the regular one or the with app drawer one. App drawer is opened by swiping on the blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is currently I am using it. It's all the features of the MIUI 11 can be seen in the Chinese beta ROM. That's why this modded MIUI version ROM is based on Chinese and not on the default global ones. In the global ones we don't even get this -1 screen, which is nothing but it can let us choose between Google, app vault and NAND. If we select Google and swiping up from the left we get a Google Now card instead of a vault, MIUI vault. We can change these icons and everything. Next we can search is a search bar, but I don't want a search bar. So if we get on app drawer, it can app suggestions, app backgrounds is system. You can change it to dark, light, system, and you can change the transparency also. So that's good. Let's be dark for now. Next is scroll bar, original A to Z, then it will be listed in A to Z like this, G, S, A to Z, like the right side, A, B, E, F, G, like this, and not the sorting system. That's one thing. So that's basically about the home launcher. You can change the home lock home screen layout. You get so many layouts, icon size, access. I have currently set it to M. So yeah. Next is show memory status in recents. Here you go, memory status at the top right hand side. And what else do we get? Blur app reviews in recent. We can blur some things, like if I click on a browser, when I open browser, if I go tap into recents, it will be blurred and not shown like that in settings. Even my WhatsApp is blurred. So yeah, that's a good feature. That's pretty much it about the home screen. Signature icons is just like in 2 lines, the lines you get in the app drawer. Yes, if I show you, see this, the label icons is shown as browser, calculator, calendar, I have selected it in one line. See the screen recorder in one line. If I select this at 2 recorder, let me show it. More signature icons, running line. Then you will see. Currently, I don't have anything that has 2 lines. Yeah, if you get it runs in the app like this, like the extreme battery. How is it running? Performance mode. How it is scrolling, not like that it scrolls. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Now we talk about the status bar. So I have changed it. You can change. There are n number of changing things. You get new things as dark mode toggle. You get in MIUI 11. I don't want it for the video for right now. With cast, MI share, performance mode just gives a boost of how we use, but it consumes battery. Extreme battery settings is same, but it's not that ultra saving battery which you get in the Chinese version of MIUI 11. For this device, wired, it has not been there in the Chinese beta ROM also. So yeah, that's one thing. You can edit to there are many things. Um, so yeah, this one, the width if you see of this gun is small compared to that of a global stable. I don't like it. Even when you click on this thing, the width of the toggles are also less. I like the big and bold ones which are much wider than this compared to these thin toggles, as you can see. Going back in the home screen, lock screen settings, this is what you get in the lock screens. It's how we get in the Chinese version too. That's why the first comes with my device, which comes with all the specifications. If you click on all specs, you can know all these things. You can even the storage option is also here. If you type on storage, how much is the system storage? 9.85, around 10 GB is consumed by the OS, so that's a good one. Next, security status, find device, security update, Google Play update, SIM cards, and these are the normal stuffs you get in the MIUI 11. MIUI, sorry. Bluetooth, we get a new, different setting toggle only. Bluetooth, yes. Before MIUI, it was like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Connection and sharing, you get MI share, cast, view casting, and much more better previews of how it looks. Printing services if you have at home or offices. Portable hotspot. Let's see if hotspot and Wi-Fi works at the same time. And yeah, in Chinese version it does work simultaneously, but it does not in global stable. I don't know why. Even the Redmi Note 7 Pro does not work. These are normal stuffs. Going back into lock screen, much customization as you expect in the Chinese ROM, but in the stable global update we get nothing. Even in the beta we get nothing actually. Wallpaper carousel is a new carousel wallpaper, and you get these new things. If we select it, like go it will become like this. So yeah, that was about the lock screen. Let jump to display, normal brightness. Here also the width is less, so that's something that you should know. Reading mode, it works. Color scheme, we get the normal ones and not the uh, what do you say, RGB sensors type. Dark mode, we have already seen the dark mode toggle in the front. We get a system font. You can get many system fonts as you want. Next thing is a text size and font weight, which you don't get in the stable versions of Wired, but it's good. We can see how it works. Oops. Yeah, that's that. Just put into do not disturb. What is it? Do not disturb. Good. So yeah, that's it. status bar you get many options. MIUI style. This iOS style, it looks like this. There we go. You can see the clock is in the middle and the other stuffs are in the right and left side, as is seen in iOS one. And you can change this battery percent. Here you go. 87, default 15 looks good for me. Clock same, network speed. Toggles in minimize shade. If I select it at 4, and you see 1 2 3 4 is seen. If I select it 5, 1 2 3 4 5, that's the number of rows is 3. As you can see, 1 1 2 3, not 1 2 3 4. So yeah, show notification icons if you don't, and it will look like dot dot dot, as you can see. So I use show notification. Show LTE for 4G. 4G works super fine, guys, and I will come out the dialer and those stuff later on. Let me first finish this status bar. Show net connection speed. We will get in the top and side, right side. I have hide the connection speed at 0. If I undo it to 0.03. Edit career name. Show weather notification share. Here you go. 350 Kalyan Dombili. If I just undo it, then nothing works. Notification share. Settings search. Default and compact. Yeah, that's all regular stuff. Full screen mode, you can see some apps does support full screen, so yeah. List animations, these are the animations you get. I think you don't get this 180 flip also, and these animations toggles in the global stable ones, I guess. Let's see. Then we come to sound and vibration, same as in seen in MIUI 11. Just that the profile videos doesn't work for me. I don't know why, but yeah, it doesn't work. Additional settings, if you type in medicine, you get the normal sounds and all this stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much what you get. The new alarm, ringtone, all this stuff you get. So that was sound and vibration. In notification, you get this notification shade, which you get in MIUI like this, or the Android like this one. So yeah, expand notification. You get these three options: locks in the notification, floating notifications, and notification batches. Yeah, that's pretty much it about the notification. Home screen I have already showed you. Home screen, wallpaper. Yeah, it comes with less wallpapers, not the new ones, but the old ones only. Yeah, so I have to mention that I didn't like themes, new theme app you get. I show you later on. Password, everything works fine. Face unlock, fingerprint unlock, password, everything works. Emergency SOS, etc. etc. Battery and performance. Well, here you don't get the uh, ultra battery saving mode as promised in the, as or seen is the Chinese ones. I don't know, even the global ones doesn't have. And battery performance is okayish, I would say, not that great. I got around 2 hours or 3 hours before charging it today. So yeah, that's how it goes. For just about 2-3 hours, that's fine, but not great, as we have seen in the Pixel Experience ROM or the other ROMs, AvaCOS and all stuffs. And here we go, apps. Here it's system app manage, dual apps permission, app lock, and note scene. Screen time, you get the, it's another version of what you say, this digital well-being. It's, this one is from Xiaomi itself. So yeah, but I do like the digital well-being. Gives much more perspective of how we use. In special features, we get dim turbo, quick replies. You can reply from the status bar itself, and second space you will see MIUI lab, find photos, improve photo, AI preloading, blah blah blah. My account, Google, and account sync. So this was pretty much how the Chinese version MIUI looks like. So yeah, talking about the applications, The icons here, as you can see, I have seen this is a new theme app you get, by the way. And if you click on my account and themes, get four ones: default, classic, rhodium and limitless. These are they pre-enabled or pre-built. Here you can see the icons are new as well as not new. I don't know if you see the global stable, they are little bit different, not that much, but yeah, it's noticeable. This is the classic MIUI. This is inbuilt one. I don't know. Limitless is all you know. My favorite, by the way. And you do get the a transparent one and customized tune. You can customize the boot animation, boot audio, favorite tray, etc. So yeah, that was pretty much about the Chinese modded MIUI version that you get on this phone, wired Redmi Note 5 Pro. In the security also, you get a new security app with a utilities tab. So yeah, that was something to be mentioned. Yeah, that's pretty much. If you want to just see how the Chinese ROM works, what does the Chinese ROM include in terms of customization, then yeah, this is a better one for right now to check it out, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.